Okay, guys.
Weeds.
We're looking at this Scots grass seed. Heat tolerant. This is the Kentucky Bluegrass. And we're going to put it down in their yard because the HOA is all up our butt and we have some bare spots. Wintertime, we weren't watering like we should have, I guess. And now we're paying for it. But they picked on many other neighbors. I see them watering up and down the whole neighborhood here.
But there is a water restriction.
You can only water once a day. Once a week.
Yeah.
But if you put seed down, Florida law, you can water to maintain the seed. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to water.
Yep.
So y'all stay tuned and we'll get this on the ground. Okay, Danny's over there pulling up grass now, not weeds.
Now I swear this is not grass. This is weed.
No,
It's got grass on it, but this is so viney. Why would I want to step on that in my yard?
that's grass. I just raked the yard extensively, so we're going to try to leave the rest of the grass there so it'll grow in.
I'll stop picking it out, but it better look better.
But we're going to take this turf builder, or this it's turf builder grass seed, and we're going to fill it in this hopper. When you put it in this hopper, you want to disperse it if you already have grass at 4. And the bag is very instructional, but they only give instructions for their devices. So if you have another device, just guesstimate. Okay, so this will cover about 750 square foot of yard with grass in it. So I'm going to go ahead and disperse this. After I disperse it, they say rake and then water. Lightly rake and then water.
I'll get the rake.
They say they don't say you can throw it out by hand, but I'm sure you could evenly disperse it if you don't want to buy this tool by hand.
This is a great workout.
Okay, so we're going to do the other side of the yard, and then we're going to turn on the sprinklers. So I'll turn this on when we turn on the sprinklers. They say you have to water it daily. They say best twice a day, but we're probably not going to do that. I'm stepping on the seeds. So we've got the seed down, and I've turned on the sprinkler systems. I'm still got to do a little maintenance to the sprinkler system because there's some that don't hit where I need it to. But we're going to come back in a couple weeks and do an update video of this to see how our grass, if there's grass. Right now my legs are getting wet.
Yeah, it's a little chilly over here with these on.
So if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. If you have comments or feedback, say we're doing it all wrong, leave that down below too.
Yeah, we need help, so.
I'm a gardening amateur.
Yeah, we're not that great.
And if you're looking for great recipes, good eats, check out diningwithdanielle.com. Some wonderful meals are released every Wednesday. So go on our blog at diningwithdanielle.com or chrisdoeswhat.com and subscribe. And you can pick whatever you want to, whether it's recipes, travel, or DIYs and reviews.
Gave you options.
And y'all please take care.
Bye. Too much traffic out here.